What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology Zone. This is tutorial 11 and today's topic will be how to play video from your local files using OpenCV5. Okay, so in the last tutorial we have seen how to capture video from your webcam and how to stream it or how to play it using OpenCV5, and in this tutorial I'll be going to do the same thing, but here our source will be local file, not live webcam. Okay, so let's try to actually do that. Okay, so the prerequisites are same. We'll be just going to use that video capture function, and our tutorial link will be available here. So this is going to be a very straightforward tutorial. I think this tutorial will be finished within 10 minutes, but let's try to do it. Okay, these things are very important. Okay, so before I start, if you see here, I have a file here, and if I play, you see this is a file. Okay, just to actually avoid the copyright kind of a thing, I just disable the audio on this thing. The video is the actual thing. Okay, so I want to play this thing using OpenCV. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's start. Import cv2. Okay, and then import numpy as np, right? Okay, now first thing first, we'll be going to capture the video from the file. Okay, so for that let's create a variable called capture, and it will be cv2 dot video capture. Okay, and here I'll be just going to use this file name. So file name is actually sample.mp4. Okay, so sample.mp4. Okay, right, let's try to print the capture, what it is actually going to give. Okay, so let's execute. Right, so it is going to give something. So if it is, there is no file, it is actually going to give you some other thing, like, right. So let's see, if you want to show you is opened. Okay, so it is going to give me true because it is opened. Okay, if it is, there is no file, it is going to be false. Okay, right. So now what will happen, so while this is reading dot is opened, okay, we want to do everything. Okay, so let's create two things. First thing, actually return function rt, and another one is actually frame. Okay, so this thing will be coming from capture dot read. Okay, right. Okay, now what will happen, if rt rt is actually not null. Okay, okay, if it is false, then what will happen, then actually if frame is not read correct, frame is not read correctly, rate is true. Okay, okay, means if the frame is read correctly, it will become true. Okay, then it will actually let me actually write this thing. Then what will happen, will be actually going to read print. See, if it is true, means if it is true, if it is false, then it will be not a false means true, right? So it will be right, frame is not read correctly. Okay, right, and it will break actually. Okay, break. Okay, because I don't want to continue, right? You don't want to continue, right? Now what will happen, now suppose suppose actually you want to actually read it now, right? So basically for that, what is actually going to do, cv2 dot im show. Okay, and inside that I'll just going to write a window name like video, and I'll be just going to write the frame, right? It is going to be okay, right? Okay, and now last thing, we want to actually stream it like for undefined time, but I want to actually stop it when it is actually user is enter queue. So basically if cb2 dot wet key, right, 1 equals to I think ord and q, right, then what will happen, it is just going to break. Okay, okay, and at the end we'll be going to release that cap dot release. Okay, and cb2 dot destroy all windows. Okay, done, right? So basically this is opened here. Okay, this is opened here, this will be closed here, and we are going to destroy everything, right? If I execute this thing, this stream will be open, you see. Yeah, and it will keep on playing this thing. Okay, it will keep on playing this thing, see. Okay, again it started, right, it will start again. Okay, it's a race between a car and this thing. Okay, and once this is finished it is stopped, but if you want to stop it within the frame you have to press q. Okay, so let's press q. See, I press q, it is actually stopped. Okay, right? Okay, so this is a very simplistic implementation of video reading and video capturing and video playing using OpenCV5. I hope you guys are enjoying this series. See, at the beginning I'll try to actually do the things with small like components of or very fundamental components of OpenCV5, and later on when we increase the complexity, that time we'll try to build some project. But at the time of building the project or at the time of scaling a project, we are going to use multiple components, and at that time I don't have much time to explain each of you like each of those components. So that is why I thought of designing the tutorial in this way, that initially we'll try to create small use cases with those small components, and later on we'll try to increase the complexity by creating intermediate to advanced product. Okay, so this is the 11th tutorial. In the next tutorial we'll be going to do some more fun activity. Okay, so I'm rather than taking this thing as a fun activity, not a tutorial or learning kind of a thing. So if you see here, these things are amazing or cool things, right? If you know how to actually play a video file using OpenCV5, and directly if you want to actually stream that using 3-4 lines of code, you are actually, you'll become a popular within your gang, right? So these things are actually fun and cool things to know. Okay, okay, so I'll be just going to conclude the video over here, but before I conclude, I'd like to say a couple of things. So guys, please try to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share the videos with your family and friends, and don't forget to put some comments. See, if these videos are helping you to learn something or do betterment on your job or something positive, then also let us know, because when you put some comment, other audience is also going to find the video valuable, and also it will be good for the YouTube algorithm as well. Okay, and last but not least, if you have something, some complaint or feedback for us, you also uh, put that in the comments so that we can improve our quality. And if you have any specific use case and requirement, you can reach out to me on my Telegram channel. And lastly, we have started some weekend batches for machine learning, LLM, generative AI, and other stuff. So try to check that as well. If you want to know interested, if you want to know more about this thing, you can check out our Telegram channel and you can DM me. And also, if you go to our YouTube channel playlist section, you will find multiple playlists related to generative UI. One is LangChain, one is on Llama Index, and another one Hybrid AG, and this is only on computer vision. Okay, so please try to watch those things and also let us know your feedback. Okay, so enough of talking, guys. Let's conclude the video here. We'll be going to upload more video in the coming days. Okay, that's it for today. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, have a nice day, and happy learning. Thank you.